Good afternoon, students. I'm Vijay Bharti. Today I'm going to give you the explanation of the Beehive first chapter, The Fun They Had. This chapter is written by Isaac Asimov. So first of all, let's talk about the author. Isaac Asimov was an American writer. He was known for his work of science fiction and popular science. He was a most prolific writer of the 20th century. He was not only a writer, he was a professor also, and The Fun They Had was one of his best work. So, this story sets up in future, so that's why we can say that it is a futuristic story. In this story, the author talks about the schools in future, in which the schools in future or the futuristic schools, in which the author talks about the schools of the future in which students learn through computers. Schools are set up in homes of the students and there are no peer learning. Students learn and study alone by sitting in their lonely rooms or virtual classroom in front of the computer screens. No human teacher are there in future schools. Robotic and mechanical teacher teach students according to the story. Students read text that is appeared on the computer screens. Printed books are not there in the futuristic school or the schools in future. So this story is based upon this theme that how mechanization is affecting our school system. It also highlights how the schools are going to be in the future and also talks about the ways of futuristic teaching. Students' life in the mechanical schools will be mechanical, dull and monotonous, and there will be no peer learning. The students of the future schools will deprive of the fun that you students used to have in your present schools. So if we talk about the characters, there are two main characters in the story. One is Margie, a 11-year-old girl, and second is Tommy, a 13-year-old boy. Now let's talk about the summary of the chapter. So when you will start reading the chapter, you come to know about the year 2155. This means the story sets up in 22nd century, in which Margie's diary entry you have found this. Margie in her diary wrote that today Tommy finds a real book. A real book means a printed book. Okay. Tommy found a real book which had been printed on paper, and he found it in the attic of his house. He is at house of Margie, an 11-year-old girl. They both take a look at it together. The book is really very old and pages are yellow and crinkly. In the year 2155, such books do not exist. Words scroll by on television screen. These television can contain over 1 million of books. So printed books are different from the telebooks, and telebooks are those books that are there on the computer screen. Tommy finds a book a waste. Margie recalls that once her grandfather had told her about how stories were printed on pages in the times of his grandfather's grandfather. Tommy finds the book a waste. Tommy finds a printed book a waste because, unlike computer, one cannot have new words once one has finished reading them. While reading, Tommy says that it is about school. Margie hates schools and cannot understand why someone would write about it. She was having problems with learning geography from her mechanical teacher. Mechanical teacher is different from the human teacher who was like a robot. It was black, large, and had a screen on it. It teach the students, give them exercise, and ask them question, all in a special room in their own house. Margie's performance was getting worse in geography, so her mother called a county inspector to examine the error in teacher. Now, county inspector is a person who corrects the defaults of the robotic teacher, or we can say that a human mechanic who repairs the robotic teacher. The county inspector reveals it within an hour. Margie disappointed when the computer teacher was mended it in some time. Now Tommy tells Margie about the old schools, okay, that were existed hundreds of years ago. They find out that the student back then had a human as a teacher who taught the girls and boys and gave them homework and asked them questions. They had a special building where all the children went to school and they learned the same things if they were of the same age. First, Margie doesn't understand how a person could be a teacher and how a person could be a teacher and how the student was taught the same thing, because her mother says that the education must fit to each child's mind. But nevertheless, in her opinion, these schools are funny and she wants to read more about it. The mechanical teacher starts teaching the addition of the proper fraction to her, but Margie, after listening about the old school, is lost in her thoughts about the old school system and how much fun the children must have had learning and spending time together. And she considered those schools better because in those schools students had real fun at least. So students, this is about the summary of the chapter. Now I am going to tell you about the main points of the chapter. Margie, this story sets up in future. As you know, Margie and Tommy are the students of future school. Tommy find an old book about school in the attic of his house. They turn yellow crinkly pages of the book and surprised to see still was in the book. They thought the old books to be wastage as it was to be thrown away after one use, but tally books last longer and contain many books together. Margie hated her school as her teacher gave her test and she performed badly. She also hated the slot for putting homework and test paper. Her mother called county inspector. He repaired the system and told her mother that Margie's bad performance in geography was due to faulty setting of her teacher. Tommy explained that centuries ago the schools were not like theirs. They had man as a teacher who taught students different subjects, asked questions and gave homework also. Margie couldn't believe the man to be smart enough to have knowledge about different subjects. Tommy told her that school was in a special building and students would go there and children of same age group studied the same thing all together. Now Margie was interested in reading more about the old funny schools. Margie thought about the old schools where kids had a lot of fun studying together and playing. Here, these are some words whose